Hi, this is Francesca, W7LTG, for the SX24 1939 Hallicrafter. When I got this, it was a challenge because I knew it would be. It was rusty, the cabinet was rusty, the inside was rusty, the tubes were dead. Been in the garage for probably 50 years and didn't work. So what they do is they put it in the garage, and the garage has a lot of moisture, so it rusts its components, dries out the capacitors, and all that. So I had to repaint it. The front end was pretty good, so I cleaned up really well. And inside is pretty cleaned up itself, and put some new tubes in there, and a little scuffy back there because I was really rusty. So I recapped the whole thing, replaced some resistors, and you had to buy a 500 ohm speaker, which is a Hallicrafter right there, and they're hard. I wanted to show you what it looked like before I show you how it looks today. And this is what it looked like when I first got dirty, rusty, nothing worked, it hummed, that's all I got out of it. And it was a lot of work getting this back together. I didn't think I could do it. Let's turn it on and see what kind of, well, I know we're on AM broadcast. And so we'll just, if you notice the right side won't light up unless I turn. Here we go.
AI if it gets out of control. Yeah? The question is,
we get a little AC hum from AM because we get a little hum. They all have that little hum, but it is clean all the way around.
Questions we probably should have thought about before we got down this road.
I don't want to play any music because of copyright laws.
The most important institutions are being systematically
But it sounds good.
prepared for things
Changes
because true freedom comes from self-awareness.
main tuning
and that means
dial.
having emergency food on hand.
We're on 780. We'll turn up the RF gain. You can turn on the meter light. So,
And walktomary.com. That's walktomary.com.
Is focused on getting things done. That is the most boilerplate non-answer possible, because we all know what the answer
got
is.
filter here.
The answer is
Crystal
Biden
filter.
and Kamala and this White House see more political advantage grandstanding over the two lawmakers who lost
We
their
have
jobs for 5 days.
standby. If you notice, meter's working.
That is decent and human.
And we also have pitch control for sideband, for 40 meters, 80 meters, 20 meters.
Families,
A&L switch.
and specifically those affected by
Tone switch.
trans terrorists mass shooting.
And this is your crystal
I won't
filter.
do it, and we all know why, and we know why they're holding back this manifesto.
Change the sound.
I'm
4
not
bands.
100% sure, but
3B
I'm 90%
band, which is
sure.
40 meters strictly.
Yeah, it's just disgraceful.
Your RF gain.
I mean, and I say this
You
as
can change
a
RF
kid who went to public school in Nashville and has spent his entire life,
sensitivity.
for the most part, here.
And we turn the sensitivity all the way to the meter
down
works.
here to say that the expulsion
Anyway.
for a couple of days of these two lawmakers was a direct threat to
Just
democracy.
pause right here. I switched over to the 80 meter band, and at this time of the day there's really nothing on, but we do get down there around 2.5, 2.3, and we're getting some shortwave as well. It sounds good. And great success on recapping on the SX24 1939 Hallicrafter. Great radio to have for fun, to listen to. You can also put a transmitter on it and use the standby switch to switch off the receive when you transmit. Some radios come with a dial key. You can buy a dial key and then add a dial key to the back of it. And I think the SX28 can do that. This is the earlier model, and they made an S17, XX17, S20, XX20, and then I don't know if they made any more on that, but then they started the 24 and the 25 and 27, 28, and it moved up. So it is worth having. No radio to restore it. And if you find one, it's going to take some work. I didn't think I could put this together, being so rusty, and every cap in the thing, there's 15 caps. I replaced 13 of them. And they're all bad. And I can show you those caps right here. So a lot of the caps there, a lot of new ones there, and those are the caps that I replaced. You can see one that's really burnt. Thank you for watching on Hallicrafter SX24. I'm Francesca. YL here, W7LTG. Thank you.